Hi guys. Hey, I wanted to do a quick video showing you the end of my thumb extensions. What I ended up doing was taking these all back off and bending the piece, take a lighter and heat them up and bend them so that they have, more, they're not reaching out so far, they're bent in so they're easier to get with your thumb. I went ahead and did that on my Spectrum radio. Like I said, these are all ready to run radios, and definitely makes a big difference for thumb control. Now, if you try this on a Red Cat radio for the Gen 8 or whatever, same basic principle. Heat the thing up before you go ahead and put it on. The only thing is you have to cut the brake rotor out a little bit so that the screw will fit through, and also your nut, kind of sandwich it in there between the wheel and the swirl part of the controller wheel, because you can't get a zip tie in there along with a bolt. So this was the only way I could really get it to work, and it works fine. I mean, it doesn't move, it's tight and everything, but that way set it up, it's good and tight and everything works good. And then, like I said, it's got the same, action as the other radios. But like I said, it's just a cheap, easy, well, free, easy way to get a thumb controller on your ready to run radios for your crawlers. So, but like I said, make sure to heat them up and bend it first, so that way you've got a lot better thumb control before you go ahead and you put them in. Anyway, guys, hope this helps you, and excuse my messy-ass bench. I need to get that all cleaned up here in the next couple days. And but anyway, hope you're all doing good. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share. And like I said, hopefully this gives you guys that don't have access to a 3D printer an easy way to use lottery scratcher things, lottery ticket scratchers, for your ready-to-run crawler radios. So thanks, guys. Take care. Have a good day.